Hello, my students. We have already discussed about basics of kinematics of rigid body and some problems on it. In this video lecture, we will also discuss another problem of kinematics of rigid body, which comprises of 4-bar mechanism. So here you can see the diagram of 4-bar mechanism in which AB, BC, and CD are connected with each other, and the specifications and all the dimensions are given on this diagram. So problem is that in a 4-bar mechanism A, B, C, D, the bar AB rotates clockwise with an angular velocity of 5 radian per second. So this is AB, it is rotating clockwise direction with angular velocity of 5 radian per second. Find the angular velocities of the bars BC. Angular velocity omega of BC means omega BC we have to find. Then omega CD and the value of omega CD. When the bar AB makes an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal, means this bar making the angle with horizontal is 30 degree, and this CD is making an angle of 60 degree. And the bar BC is horizontal, means bar AC is horizontal. So in this whole situation or in this whole instant, we have to calculate the values those that have asked in the question. So initially, as you are seeing, AB is fixed, is rotating with a fixed point A. Similarly, CD is rotating with the fixed point at D. But BC is describing a general plane motion. So in this way, as AB is rotating in clockwise direction, so AB is a radius, that is 20 centimeter. So the velocity will be at point B will be at the tangent of this dotted circle. Here you can see the dotted circle, and it is the VB will be the tangential to this circle, and the AB will be the perpendicular at the tail of the VB. Okay. As you know, VB, the point B is common with AB bar and BC bar. So the velocity of VB is common for AB and for BC. But difference is that in previous condition its radius was 20 centimeter, but now for bar BC we have to calculate its instantaneous center. So that instantaneous center can be obtained by drawing a perpendicular on tail of the VV velocity V vector or VV vector. So we draw the perpendicular. So in rightward direction, and similarly uh, CD. CD is also describing a motion, a circular motion. So here again you are seeing the dotted circle, and the VC is tangent to this circular portion. So CD is a radius for VC in the CD portion. However, as you can see here, C is common for BC as well, rod BC as well. So to calculate the velocity of VC, we may produce or we may draw a perpendicular at the tail of the VC and produce in upper direction. So where these perpendiculars from B and C meets, that point is I. So that is known as point of intersection and instantaneous center. So IC will be instantaneous center for VC, and IB will be instantaneous center for BC, for this BC, or for B, instantaneous center for the point B or VB. Now we have to calculate value of IB and IC. For that, we require the need of geometry and trigonometry. So how? So here we will apply sine rule. So IB upon sine 60 degree, IB, and the angle opposite is 60 degree, so sine of 60 degree. So IB upon sine 60 degree, and that is equal to IC upon sine 30 degree, and that is equal to BC upon sine 90 degree, and hence we will get the value of IB and IC. However, BC is given to us. The value of BC is given to us, that is 15 centimeter. So IB is equal to 12.9 centimeter, 12.99 centimeter, and IC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now consider the rotation of the bar AB, which was in the left side, left direction. So AB about A. So the VB, we have to find out the VB. So VB is equal to omega AB into AB value. So AB is its radius. AB, I will show you AB. AB is 20 centimeters, so it is 0.2, right? And then multiply by omega. Omega AB is given is equal to 5 radian per second. As the formula says that VB or V is equal to R omega. So R is 0.2 and omega is given. So VB is equal to 1 meter per second. Now consider the rotation of the bar BC without instantaneous about the instantaneous center I. So VB is equal to VB is means BC bar is the horizontal bar. So VB is equal to omega BC into IB. IB that we have just calculated here. So we put the value of IB and VB. VB we have calculated here 1 meter per second. So we put it here, and then omega BC we can calculate. So this value is 7.698 radian per second. So next value VC. So VC is equal to omega BC into IC. As we have calculated the omega BC, omega BC, yes, we have calculated the value of omega BC, that was 7.698 into IC, that is 0.75. So VC is equal to 0.577 meter per second, means we have calculated the value of VC. From VC we can calculate the value of omega DC, and rotation of bar DC about D. If we consider the rotation of the bar DC about D, then VC is equal to same R omega into CD. CD is the radius that has already been given to us. So omega DC is equal to VC upon CD. VC is 0.577 that we have just calculated above here, and CD is given to us. So the value is omega is equal to 1.94 radian per second. So students, in this way we have complete this problem of 4-bar mechanism. You also keep on trying some other problems on kinematics of rigid body. Okay, thanks for this video.